Can't wait to get into this. It's here. The 2022 Fund Convention is happening at the Orange County Convention Center in Orlando, Florida. It's going to be a beautiful weekend for that and a great opportunity for numismatists to get back into the swing of things. There hasn't been a Fund Convention since January of 2020, and that's time for us to get back to it. Now, there was an event that happened in July across the street at the West Concourse, but now this is a much bigger show, and certainly a lot of anticipation in place for this one. It'll all begin on Thursday with a special ceremony right here where we're standing at 9:45 a.m. The doors are going to open up to the general public on Thursday at 10 a.m. We'll go until 6:30 on Thursday. We'll go until 6:30 on Friday. On Saturday, we ended up an hour early, give you a chance to enjoy Orlando, and the final day we'll close it off at 3 p.m. We invite you to come on down and join us right here. Please remember, bring your masks. They're not mandatory by any stretch of the imagination. It's mandatory only for the employees of the Orange County Convention Center, and some dealers may mandate that. So we invite you to use common sense and follow your own guidelines as necessary so you can get the maximum enjoyment for this show, so that you can see what's going to be happening in the 2022 Fund Convention. Reporting from Orlando, I'm Larry Jewett for Coin World.